In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create AutoLISP code for AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know how to ask for the code you need, save it properly, load it into AutoCAD, and quickly refine it if something doesn't work as expected. Start by opening ChatGPT and creating a new conversation. The key to getting useful code is being very clear about what you want. Describe the task, the inputs, the expected output, and any units or constraints. For example, you might write, create an AutoLISP to calculate the area of a closed polyline in square meters. If you already have a preferred command name, include that too and ask for clear comments and simple prompts so it's easier to follow inside AutoCAD. The more specific your prompt, the better the result. When ChatGPT returns the code, give it a quick scan. AutoLISP commands typically begin with something like defun see your command name, which defines the command you'll type in AutoCAD. Copy the entire code block. Open a plain text editor such as Notepad and paste it in. Save the file with a .lsp extension. Like Command LSP. If your editor asks for a file type, choose all files so it doesn't add TXT by mistake. UTF-8 or a NSI encoding is usually fine for most scripts. Next, open AutoCAD. In the command line, type appload and press enter. In the dialog that appears, browse to your LSP file and click load. You should see a confirmation that it loaded successfully. If you plan to use the routine often, you can look into adding it to the startup suite later, so it loads automatically, but for now a one-time load is all you need. To run your new routine, type the command name defined in the Lisp code, the part that follows C, and press enter. Follow any prompts at the command line, like selecting objects or specifying units. Test on a simple drawing first to confirm it behaves as expected. If you run into an error or the result isn't what you intended, copy the exact error message and head back to ChatGPT. Paste the error, briefly describe what you were doing when it occurred, and ask for a fix. Replace the code in your .lsp file with the updated version, save it, and load it again in AutoCAD using app load. This quick feedback loop describe, test, and refine will help you get reliable routines faster. That's it. Thanks for watching.